Hello, everybody. Welcome to Briskbold IT Services. This is Umama, and I'm working as Sales and Marketing Lead with Briskbold. Today, we have with us our RPA developer, Suhaib Khan. So, hi, Suhaib.
Yeah, hi, Umama.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thanks for asking. I'm good. So, before we begin our conversation and question answer session, I would like to know about you and about your background.
Yeah, talking about my background and my introduction, let me give a quick introduction about myself. My name is Suhaib Khan. I'm a certified experienced RPA developer specializing in automation anywhere.
Okay, so you have used Automation Anywhere for all of your projects?
Yeah, so far, all of them, all of my projects so far.
Okay, that's great. Good to know that. So, can you walk me through one of your complex projects that you have completed using Automation Anywhere?
Yeah, lately I have done a project for the New York-based finance and stock market company. The project was about that they had the legacy applications and the new version of website they have recently developed in 2024. So our work was to a data migrate. It was about the data migration. The bot was about to migrate the data from the legacy application to the new version of application. So we had to extract or download the URLs, PDFs, images from the legacy version, and later we have to upload it into the new version they have developed in recently, and it's a stock market and finance based company.
Okay, so
recently.
you are still working on that project?
Yeah, still working on the project. They have affiliated almost 50 companies so far, so we are still working on that.
Okay, that's great. Good to know that. So, how does Automation Anywhere support the automation of complex and multi step processes?
So if we talk about the automation anywhere about this complex and multi-session processes, so we have AI bots in there, artificial intelligence bots that are being considered the smart bots, and what actually they reduce the human efforts. And second thing, we have IQ bots that in today's world it is being considered the next level bot, an intelligent bot. What as a developer we do, we add the cognitive skills into the website through so that it can automate the automation process. So most of the time we use IQ bot for semi-structured, unstructured data. So sometimes we have a data in different formats. So that time we use the IQ bots. And third thing, we have integration. So automation anywhere tool has the capability to integrate with different systems and different softwares that makes the automation seamlessly accurate and precise and very fast. And recently, talking about this, recently Automation Anywhere has developed the AI Agent Studio, which is completely a new version, and which is where we can add the cognitive sick list, but that's very easy as far as it's easy and easy to build.
Okay,
It's a
thank you so
studio
much. Thank you so
type
much.
in.
That's good. So, what advanced analytics and reporting features does Automation Anywhere provide to track the performance of automated processes?
So Automation Anywhere use the first thing, it uses the analytical dashboard. It visualizes a dashboard where it actually does it seems to happen to get the visualization of the bot performance, to know its success rate and the error rate. It's a visualization process from the dashboard analytics. Second, we have the bot insights. Also in the bot insights, what actually we do is we get the insights about the bot. We get its ROI. Most of the time when we build a bot, we get the ROI, return on investment, to check its performance, to check how accurate it can be, how precise it can be, how faster it can be. That's the second thing. And third, we have the audit logs. Audit logs keeps the audit of all the bots, like history of the bots and the performance of the bots. And in the audit logs, we can do the troubleshooting and compliance also. In
Okay.
Automation Anywhere tool. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So, how does Automation Anywhere ensure the security and compliance of the automated processes? Even how does it ensure the security while you're working on a project?
Okay, at the time of security. Okay, talking about the security, we have data in Automation Anywhere. When we are building a bot, two types. When is either the data can be in the REST form or it can be in transit form. So the Automation Anywhere provides AES. You might have heard about this advanced encryption systems that use some algorithms, like one of the algorithms MD5. That's a great algorithm. So far we are using. So it protects the data. It ensures that data should be encrypted all the time, and it uses the access controls. Suppose we have access controls are back. We have HIPAA, HIPAA, HIPAA and SOC 2. we use. Most of the time in automation tool we use the Unpacking. It's an external process control that what
Okay.
actually does is, let me give a simple example about, if you have heard about the object oriented programming language, we use there the data abstraction. It's the same, like it whenever a user uses the bot, it hides some information. It only provides the information which is privileged to that particular user, for example some data or the functions. And the thing we use for the security is data masking there. So there is an automation anywhere, there's a one functionality where we can mask that data. We have a credential lockers there also, credential lockers where we can upload the credentials and the attributes. So whenever a developer has to build a bot, so that time what he can get is, he can get that secure string which puts the data behind that, it conceals that data. So you have to call that function at a time and use that string at a time, that secure string that can be only happen by the credential loggers, data masking that can,
Okay,
for
that's great.
saving the risk exposure.
Okay, so how does Automation Anywhere facilitate integration with other systems and applications?
Okay.
Like you're working on a project, how does it ensure that?
Yeah, that's a very nice question. It's automation anywhere integrates with a lot of the system. It has actually, in automation anywhere tool we have a pre-built connectors which connect with the different tools and the different systems and softwares. And second thing, we have the APIs there. Through APIs we can integrate different softwares, different applications. So we have REST and SOAP APIs there. So we can integrate this, like let me give a simple example about the Salesforce, if you have heard about that, or the Microsoft tools or products are there. We
Yes,
can
definitely.
we can integrate with them as well by using the APIs, REST and SOAP APIs.
Okay. So before we end this conversation, I would like to ask you the last question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, what tools does Automation Anywhere offer for managing and scaling automation projects?
Yeah, for scaling and managing the automation projects, we have a control room there. That's a centralized management process. We have the metabots there and taskbot, also the taskbots there. That's a great thing for you have different bots there through the taskbots, and you can merge all those bots so that you don't have to write all these lines of the code there. So it would be easy for a developer to use a taskbot and metabots there. And also we have the workload management there, that segregates a different workload, and that would be a great thing. That's a great package for the automation anyway too.
Okay. So thank you so much, Suhaib, for sharing your expertise with us. It was great having this conversation with us.
Yeah, thank
with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank
ma'am.
you. To know more about RPA and its tools, and to have more Q&A sessions like this, please follow Brisk Bold IT Services.